All right, returning to news of Delhi elections, and today Chief Minister Atishi will be filing her nomination for the Kalkaji Assembly constituency. Now, she visited the temple there in Kalkaji, something that she had posted on social media saying, I will be going to the Kalkaji temple to take blessings of Kalka Mai, and then she would be visiting the Gurudwara near there and then starting her rally. So there you can see Atishi visiting the Kalka Mandir. Remember, she's also said that she is going to crowdfund. She made this appeal of crowdfunding her election campaign and with a target of 40 lakhs, receiving 40 lakhs in donations, and already over 15 lakhs has been received by Delhi Chief Minister Atishi for her campaign from Kalkaji, where she will be fighting once again. And there you can see her visiting the Kalkaji Mandir to take blessings, and then she will go to the Giri Nagar Gurudwara, and then her nomination rally will begin. She just before this had hit out at the BJP, saying they have a habit of winning elections by committing fraud, that they did the same in Haryana and Maharashtra, but were caught in Delhi, that 13,000 applications were made to create new votes in the New Delhi Assembly constituency, but AAP will not allow any wrongdoing. So remember, this is an issue that AAP has been raising about manipulation of voter lists, and once again Atishi raising that issue. But today will be filing her nomination from the Kalkaji seat, and currently there visiting the Mandir and taking the blessings. She is planning to raise 40 lakhs to contest the assembly elections, and has already in fact raised over 18 lakh through crowdfunding, and this is just within 24 hours. Let's go across to Anushka for more. And Anushka, so Atishi visiting the Mandir, she will also visit the Gurudwara, and then it will be followed by a rally and finally filing of her nomination.
Certainly, Gargi, what we're seeing is that this is the first big nomination from the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, remember, the nomination filing date is up only till.
करने से पहले मैं कालका जी मंदिर आई हूँ, कालका माई का आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए। कालका माई का आशीर्वाद आम आदमी पार्टी पे, कालका जी के लोगों पे, दिल्ली के लोगों पे हमेशा बना रहे, इसलिए कालका माई का आशीर्वाद लेने आई हूँ। मेरी अपनी विधानसभा कालका जी विधानसभा कालका माई के नाम से जानी जाती है, और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि जितना काम 5 साल में मैंने कालका जी विधानसभा में किया है, कालका माई का पूरा आशीर्वाद मुझ पर, आम आदमी पार्टी पर और हमारे कामों पर जरूर बना रहेगा।
बतौर मुख्यमंत्री आप उम्मीदवार एक बार फिर से हैं और अब नामांकन करेंगी, कितना बदलाव आया है? पहले आप खाली उम्मीदवार के तौर पर आपने चुनाव जीता और अब आप मुख्यमंत्री, पूरी दिल्ली में आपको जाना पड़ेगा, कैसे संतुलन बिठाएंगी अपनी विधानसभा और पूरी दिल्ली में?
देखिए, मैंने अपनी विधानसभा में पिछले 5 साल से काम किया है। अपनी विधानसभा के कोने कोने में कोई ऐसा इलाका नहीं होगा जहाँ के लोग मेरे लिए अपना परिवार नहीं है। कालका जी के लोगों ने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया है, मुझे अपनी बहन माना है, मुझे अपनी बेटी माना है, और मुझे लगता है कि ये जो संबंध मेरा कालका जी के लोगों के साथ है, जो मेरा एक परिवार है, मुझे लगता है कि अपने परिवार का आशीर्वाद हमेशा मेरे पे बना रहेगा। मैं ये मानती हूँ कि कालका जी का चुनाव मैं नहीं लड़ रही हूँ, कालका जी के लोग लड़ रहे हैं, वो मुझे चुनाव लड़वा रहे हैं, और जितना प्यार और जितना आशीर्वाद मुझे कालका जी की गली गली में मिल रहा है, गोविंदपुरी, श्रीनिवासपुरी के गली गली में मिल रहा है, मुझे लगता है कि इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, कोई मैंने पिछले जन्म में बहुत पुण्य का काम किया है।
लैंड को लेकर के बीजेपी ने सवाल करे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी ने, और लैंड को लेकर क्या है ये कागज, किस तरीके से आप लोग कर रहे हैं?
कल आम आदमी पार्टी के मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शकूर बस्ती गए थे। शकूर बस्ती की कुछ झुग्गियों से उन्होंने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बताया था कि किस तरह उन झुग्गी बस्तियों का जो एरिया है उसका लैंड यूज चेंज किया गया था, और इसलिए वहां झुग्गी बस्ती तोड़ने की तैयारी हो रही है। कल शाम को एलजी साहब ने एक बयान जारी किया कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन दस्तावेज बिल्कुल साफ है। डीडीए की मीटिंग हुई, लैंड यूज चेंज हुआ, तो बिल्कुल साफ है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झूठ पकड़ा गया है और ये कोई पहली बार नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता झुग्गियों में जाते हैं, कहते हैं प्रवास कर रहे हैं, वहां पे लोगों के साथ खाते हैं, चाय पीते हैं, बच्चों के साथ कैरम खेलते हैं और कुछ ही महीनों में जाके उन सब झुग्गियों को तोड़ देते हैं। सुंदर नगरी की झुग्गी में यही हुआ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता प्रवास करने गए, वहां पे बच्चों के साथ लूडो खेली, कैरम खेला, उसकी फोटो सोशल मीडिया पे डाली और 3 महीने बाद कड़कड़ाती हुई ठंड में सुंदर नर्सरी की झुग्गी तोड़ डाली। तो ये बिल्कुल साफ है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक झुग्गी विरोधी पार्टी है, एक गरीब विरोधी पार्टी है और झुग्गी तोड़ने के अलावा उन्होंने आज तक दिल्ली के झुग्गी वालों के लिए कोई काम नहीं किया।
All right, so there you saw Delhi Chief Minister Atishi after taking blessings at the Kalka Mandir, also raising the issue about the slum land, which AAP has been accusing the LG and said that land use was changed at the Basti. And Atishi, when asked by the media regarding this latest allegation and row that has exploded, they're saying that Arvind Kejriwal visited the Shakur Basti yesterday, and that is where he made these charges. Remember, AAP has also shown some documents that they claim prove that the Delhi LG had signed off on land use change at the Basti. Well, let's go across to Anushka for more on the entire story. And Anushka, Atishi to file her nomination today. They're speaking to the media, being questioned regarding her nomination and her campaign, but also talking about this latest issue that has taken place between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi LG regarding the land use change in the Shakur Basti slum.
Well, certainly what we're seeing is that once again the Jhuggi politics is heating up between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. We saw that the BJP had launched a Jhuggi Pravas Yojana, wherein the BJP leaders were staying, each and every BJP leaders, the MPs and their MLAs were staying inside of the Jhuggi, and they were in fact also living with the people for one night and also going to all the Jhuggi places in the Delhi, and also they were in fact living with the people and asking about all the irregularities, all the problems that they were having while they were living there. Now also what the Aam Aadmi Party is doing is that they have in fact, yesterday Arvind Kejriwal went to Shakur Basti Jhuggi, and now he has been in fact alleging that the LG has changed the land use of the area that was used by the Jhuggi Jhopdi people to live there. And right now also they are saying that the BJP is in fact a Jhuggi Virodi party, and that is why Arvind Kejriwal has in fact also said, in fact also he has showed a purported document wherein it shows that the land use has been changed in the Shakur Basti Jhuggi area. Also right now we're at the Gurudwara, where after taking blessings from the Kalkaji Mandir, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is set to arrive here and also lead a massive rally, because this is the first big nomination from the Aam Aadmi Party. Now the nomination is only till 17th of January. All the leaders, all the candidates are in fact set to file the candidates. Now, right now also we're here. We'll like to show you some visuals from here, the kind of celebration that is going on. The Aam Aadmi Party supporters have gathered here in a massive number. Also, Delhi Chief Minister is set to arrive here in a few minutes. Several of the party leaders are also here, to support Atishi, the Aam Aadmi Party leader and also Chief Minister of Delhi. Now from here she will be leading a rally of approx 1 kilometer, and from here she will be going to file the nomination for the upcoming assembly elections. Now this is the whole area of Gurudwara. Now remember, she is seeking a re-election from Kalkaji. Now in the last elections she had defeated Ranveer Singh from BJP with a large number of votes, and right now also after the campaign which she had in fact launched for the crowdfunding, now she has in fact able to raise 18 lakh rupees, and now also she is here. She will be reaching here within a few minutes and will be in fact leading this rally and will be filing the nomination today.